So today you're going to learn how to solve for volume of cylinders. And because this is an 8th grade TEK, we're going to let you use a calculator or Desmos to solve for volume of cylinders. I'm using Desmos, which is an online calculator app that y'all will be able to use next year. So let's get into it. So our formula, if you looked at your 8th grade reference sheet, the formula for volume of a cylinder is the same as a prism. V equals big B times H. So remember, big B stands for area of the base. And in this case, when we're talking about cylinders, our bases are circles. So really all that we're doing when we're solving for the volume of a cylinder is find the area of a circle and then multiply it times the height. So it's either big B times H or pi r squared times the height of your whole cylinder. So let's take a look at number 1. So even though we're using Desmos or calculator, I still want us to write down the formula first. That's always the most important thing. So to find the volume of the cylinder, I'm going to write down volume equals big B times H. And I need to remember that big B stands for area of the base. And to find the area of my circular base, I'm going to multiply pi times my radius squared and then multiply that times the height of the cylinder. So remember, pi is 3.14. Our radius, we do have our radius here. It's 5, so 5 squared. And then the height of our whole cylinder is going to be over here at 9. So on Desmos or on a calculator, put it in just like how you see it. 3.14 times 5 squared. So hit the a squared button to get 5 squared. And then multiply that times 9. And our answer for number 1 is 706 and 5/10 centimeters cubed. As simple as that. Let's go ahead and look at number 2. Remember, write down your formula first. And because my base is a circle, I know I'm doing pi r squared. And multiplying that times the height of my whole cylinder. Pi is always the same, 3.14. My radius in this case is 8. I'm going to square 8. And then the height of my whole cylinder is 13. So put that into your calculator or Desmos. 3.14 times 8 squared times 13, and that is going to give me 2,612 and 4/800 inches cubed. Now for number 3, remember, we're still going to write down our formula. Our base is a circle, so it's pi r squared times our height. So take a look at number 3 very closely. Our base is showing that this whole line right here is 18. So that's our diameter. We need to find our radius. And remember, to find our radius, you just cut that in half. So our radius is going to be 9 for number 3. So go ahead and write down everything that you have. Pi is 3.14, radius is 9. Square that. Our height of our cylinder is 7. Put that into your Desmos. And our answer for number 3 is 1,780 and 3/800 feet cubed. Now you go ahead and try number 4. Let me go ahead and write down my formula. Pi r squared times height. And it's important that we rewrite it as pi r squared times height, just to make sure that we're actually finding the area of our base. Our radius here, we're not given our radius, we have our diameter. If we cut our radius or our diameter in half, we're going to get our radius at 6. So pi is 3.14. Our radius is 6. You're going to square that. And then the height of our whole cylinder is up here at 16. Go ahead and put that into your calculator or on Desmos. So 3.14 times 6 squared times 16. And we have 1,808 and 6,400 meters cubed. And that's that.